Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about human resource accounting. So let us introduce about myself. My name VB Karnamurthy, working as an associate professor in Wings Business School, Tirupati. So the today very important topic which we are going to discuss is human resource accounting. So how human resource plays a major role in organization development, along with the accountability, how much the organization spending on human resource will also be discussed in this topic called human resource accounting. So let us go for the introduction. So here we are going to see about a small introduction about human resource accounting. So human resource are considered as important asset and are different from physical asset. You can see that human resource is considered as an important asset but not as a physical asset. So physical asset which we can touch and feel, but in the human resource we are having different types of feelings, we are having different types of activities. So physical assets are completely different from human assets. So physical assets do not have feelings and emotions, whereas human assets are having feelings and emotions. So that's why every employee who is working in the organization, we definitely want to give importance to their feelings and emotions also. So this human resource accounting will definitely give you an idea that how you want to value your employees and how you want to satisfy your employees and how you want to make your employee to work towards the organization is going to be clearly discussed in this topic called human resource accounting. So already I am saying that physical assets are having depreciation, but human assets will not be having depreciated. So the days pass on, the human assets appreciation are going to be get created, not a depreciation, because from the day one to he is having a more than experience of 10 years, the way of work is going to be get completely differs. From the day one he is in the learning stage, but after 10 years he is going to be the expert in that particular field. So expert, if the days pass on, here we are not going to calculate the depreciation, definitely the employee is going to be get appreciated with his skills. That's why this human resource accounting will definitely give importance to the experience also. So this is small introduction. So definition: HRA is nothing but human resource accounting is a process of identifying and measuring data about human resource. Here you can see that identifying and measuring. So where the requirements are there for human resource will be identified, and the measuring how much we want to place in that area. You can simply nothing but, so where there is a requirement, there we want to fulfill with the new ones. So for that, this human resource accounting is going to be helpful for you. So if we are identify that in the department of marketing we are having vacancy of 100 members, so here we are measured that how much employees we require, 100 members is going to be the measuring. We are identified that in the marketing we are having vacancies. So this clearly explains that HRA is a process of identifying and measuring data about human resource and communicating this information to interested parties. Who are interested? Ultimately the top management is going to be interested about this human resource information. When there is a requirement, there we want to place the employee to make them to work towards the organization and make our organization want to be get success in the society. So this is what a small definition which is explained by the American Association of Accountants. Objectives of HRA. Here I am given some of the objectives of HRA. So providing cost value information about acquiring, developing, allocating and maintaining human resources. Here you can see that acquiring is nothing but where there is a talent, we want to acquire the talent. If we acquire the talent, then what we want to do after acquiring, we want to develop them with by giving of different types of trainings. After giving different types of trainings, then he is going to get a shape that I am going to work in any department. So after getting that much of confidence, we are going to allocate that particular department where the employee want to get work. After that, we want to maintain the human resource for more number of years. So that is what the ultimate objective of human resource accounting. After that, enabling management to monitor the use of human resources. We continuously monitor the human resources and the uses of human resources towards the organization, because if we monitor the human resources continuously, then they can work 100% towards the organization, because the control will definitely required by any sort of human resource. That's why control is going to be very important towards human resource in the organization. Next one, finding depreciation or appreciation among human resources. You can see that some of the employees are definitely go for depreciation, and more maximum employees are go for appreciation only, because almost all the employees who are working in the organization are dedicated, but some of them here and there there is a problem that some of the employees are not 100% towards the work. So they that type of employee we can go for depreciation, and the persons who are working towards the development of organization we can call it as appreciation among human resources. Next one, assisting in developing effective management practices. You can see that this HRA will definitely assist you to develop effective management practices, because if you are having a proper management practice, then you can easily solve any type of problem which are going to be arises in human resource department as well as in the human resource accounting. So to solve that problem, you definitely want to maintain the proper effective management practices. Next one, increasing managerial awareness of the value of human resources. You always want to increase the managerial awareness. If you increase the managerial awareness, definitely it is going to value your human resources. So always you want to give the awareness of the value of the human resource to the management, then only the employees are going to get a proper benefit from the management. Okay, next one, for better human resource planning. So for HRA will definitely help you to plan your human resources. HRA will definitely help you to plan your human resources. Where we are having requirement, where we are not having requirements will be clearly guided by HRA. Next one, for better decisions about people based on improved information system, you definitely want to maintain HRA. So HRA will definitely give you the better decision about people. Peoples are simply nothing but human resources. It will definitely give you a best idea about the people and also improved information system regarding the employees who are working in the organization by HRA. Next one, assisting in effective utilization of manpower. It will definitely guide you to utilize the manpower in a proper manner to make our organization into a number one in the particular field. For making that, we definitely want to maintain HRA. These are some of the important objectives which are going to discuss in this slide. Next one, so benefits of HRA. There are enormous number of benefits, so I am chosen only a top 4 among the benefits. So first and foremost benefit of HRA is the system of HRA discloses the value of human resources, which helps in proper interpretation of return on capital employed. Here you can see that the first and foremost thing is disclosing the value of human resources. You always want to be disclosed that how much important the human resources for the organization is going to be definitely disclosed by you. After disclosing that, you definitely want to properly interpret them, and how much returns you are going to get from each and every employee, you definitely want to get interpret, and you want to inform to the management. Then only that is going to be a good return for the employee, and recognition will also be get created towards the employees. That is one of the biggest benefits if we maintain HRA in an organization. Next one, managerial decision making can be improved with the help of HRA. You can see that managerial decision regarding employees will be improved when we are maintaining the HRA in our organization. That's why, so for maintaining of managerial decision making, we definitely want to maintain HRA in the organization. Next one, to implementation of human resource accounting, clearly identify human resources as valuable assets. If you want to implement any human resource accounting in your organization, you definitely want to be treat your human resource as valuable assets, which helps in preventing misuse of human resources by the superiors as well as the management, because superiors and the management, if they don't want to misuse the human resource, means definitely you want to maintain the HRA in your organization. It helps in effective utilization of human resource and understand the evil effects of labor unrest on the quality of human resource. You can see that effective utilization of human resource can understanding the evil effects of labor. So it will definitely reduce the effects of labor, because if you utilize the human resource in a sufficient manner, then every employee will feel happy that they are working towards a good organization, and they definitely make the organization want to be number one. For making such type of things, you definitely utilize the employee efficiently and make the employee don't want to be feel it as a burden. Then he will work towards the organization and make the organization want to be number one. Okay, so this is one of the important thing which is going to be created with the help of HRA. So this is the small benefits which are going to be created with HRA. So this topic, I hope you all understood about this topic. Thank you.